Hey there, quick review on this Rhino USA coupler lock kit. This is a two-piece kit. One is going to go for the ball end of your coupler and then for the latch as well. So this is a bit of a unique design. This is made strictly for 2-inch couplers, and you want to make sure that it looks like this style is going to work with your trailer. It can't be more than 3 3/4 inches wide, and it can't be more than 3/8 of an inch thick on that lip going around your coupler, your receiver. So very simple design. This is going to slide around that lip on the lower portion of your receiver, and then you push this rod up into place and that locks it on. Works really well. Nice positive contact movement there, and it is spring loaded so that whenever you turn that key, it pops down and out of the way really nicely. The other part of the system is your latch lock. So this just works with a bolt basically. The key turns into a bolt that you can unthread, and that can go over the top of your latch. It's very important even when you are hooked up to a vehicle. If it's unattended, a small trailer can be detached, moved, and hooked up to another vehicle. So if you've got valuables on it, it's worth keeping a lock on your receiver, your coupler latch, even when it's hooked up to a vehicle. So all around, nice kit here, good fit and finish on everything. The main thing I would say is just make sure that it's going to fit your 2-inch coupler. Double check the style of it before you purchase this. This will work with most, but not all 2-inch couplers. I'll also note that with this kit, you do get a total of 4 keys, and the keys are all keyed the same, and the keys work the same on both pieces. So it's not 2 separate sets of keys. All 4 keys work the same in both of these pieces.